Morning, guys. Today I'm going to visit some of the oldest parts of Taipei. Later on we'll check out some night markets and sample some street food, so join me.
I'm starting here at Dihua Street. I just walked here from my hotel. It's about a 15-minute walk away. There's also a metro stop nearby if you want to travel here from some other part of the city. Supposedly this is Taipei's oldest street. Most of this area was built during the 1850s. Some of these businesses have actually been in operation for over 100 years. There are some sections that date back as far as the 1620s, when Taiwan was under Dutch rule. The Dutch East India Company established a colony on Taiwan. The island was known as Formosa at the time. The Dutch ruled Taiwan for 38 years. These days, Dihua is a commercial district. People come here to buy tea, Chinese medicine, incense, dried goods, things like that. This is also an important destination for the Chinese New Year. Hundreds of thousands of people come by here during that time of year.
Next we're going to check out Ningxia Market, famous for its fabrics. I think they also serve food. Let's see what it looks like. Looks like I'm here a little early. Most of the restaurants aren't open yet. Like 90% of the stuff being sold on this street is. I guess it's foods, and herbs, and teas, and medicines. Saw some mushrooms, dried meats. I'm gonna check out a supermarket. It's one of my favorite things to do when I travel, just to go grocery shopping. I picked up a little box lunch in the supermarket for $120. That's about $4 US. I would say food here is slightly more expensive than Southeast Asia, but a lot cheaper than back home in the US. Somehow I injured my ankle, so I'm kind of struggling today. I think I've got an overuse injury. I bought some new sandals and I've walked like 8 miles in on the first day here, which was stupid, so.
Next, I'm heading to Dadaocheng Wharf Container Market. This is the Tam Sui River we're looking at here. This used to be an important port during the 19th century for trade, particularly for tea. This area was revitalized in the 2010s. Today it's kind of a trendy market area. There's shops, food stalls, craft beer. All these businesses are built into containers. There's also live music here on the weekends. Next, I'm heading to Ningxia Nightmarket to grab a bite to eat. of Taipei's oldest night markets. It started in the 50s. Supposedly this market is a bit less touristy and commercial than some of the others, so let's check it out. There are about 200 stalls here, so there's quite a lot of variety. I love these Asian night markets. Something about the lights and the letters and the signs I can't read and the cooking over extremely high heat. It's kind of a vibe. You can find similar night markets like this in Thailand and other parts of Southeast Asia. Some of the most famous Taiwanese street foods are stinky tofu, pepper buns, Taiwanese sausages, scallion pancakes, and grilled squid. I've tried most of the street food so far, and I would say the pepper buns are my favorite. The scallion pancake was pretty good too, that surprised me. The nice thing about the street food here in Taiwan is that you don't really have to worry too much about getting sick. In a lot of countries, eating street food is a bit risky. I've gotten pretty sick on street food in Mexico and India before. But here it's pretty hygienic. I would happily eat at any of these stalls. I really don't have any fear of getting sick here.